Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the Embersteps Leather Boots in Crimson Desert. So what you want to do basically is come to this part of the map just here. So I'm just going to show you where I am right now. There is a little bit of a rocky outcrop here with a big lake. I'm just outside the town of Reventine here, the Reventine winery, and you've also got the monastery just there. And to zoom out on the map here, you've got Hernan just here. So I'm over the rocky hills all the way through to the east of Hook Rapids here. So you're going to see the rivers all meet in a fork, and basically you want to come to this area just here, and I'll just show you the lake really quickly. So here I am around the lake. This is the lake you're going to be looking for, and there is a waterfall that basically goes off the edge. And what you want to do here is basically jump off the edge, come down to the bottom, and what you're going to be looking for is this sort of copper rocky outcrop here, and we're just going to go ahead and land on this ledge just here. And if you actually look, there is a little statue here of rocks, so that's always a good thing to look for as a marker. Get right next to the waterfall's edge just here, and then prepare yourself into a stab motion as such. You go ahead and dash through the waterfall, and then through here we're going to have a cave system, and all we're going to do is come to the back of the cave system, and you're going to see a chest here, and then this is the chest that we need to open up. And here you can see we just got the Emberstep Leather Boots. In our inventory you can see the Emberstep Leather Boots. It gives us a 10% skill XP gain. It also gives us a small bonus to our health regeneration, and it's got some lightning resistance. So I really hope that this video helped. Please do drop a like and subscribe if it did, and I'll see you in the next video.